Traders, in this video I'm going to show you how you can gain instant access to our Telegram VIP channels, our TradingView indicators, our trading course and other material through Whop. Once you join Whop, after clicking this Get Access link on my Whop landing page, in fact you can select any one of these offers, there's free trials. See the link down the bottom here, Get Access, so click that. Once you have access to the offer, go up here to these links along the top. If you click this, log in with your Telegram, you'll gain access to our Forex Signals VIP channel. This one here will take you to our crypto signals, and there may be another one here to our indices depending on the plan. TradingView indicators, click that, scroll down, claim the indicators and you'll have immediate access. Make sure you watch the videos before you use the indicators. Click this and there's the indicators and settings, different tutorials. Scroll down and the most important tutorial you need, apart from risk management, are these three here and of course risk management. And make sure you watch the recent mentorship videos. Now I don't post all of them in here, but these will give you a pretty good indication of our strategy and how to use the indicators. You can also automatically copy our signals from Telegram. If you click this link and click on that, it will take you to TS Copier. Here's the instructions video on how to set up. Scroll down and this is the settings you can use for TS Copier. So you can automatically copy our trades from Telegram. Make sure you watch these videos here, and with that, I hope you have a fantastic day and enjoy the free trial.